I think it has no place in BoxyCharm. I think the fact that I'm like, is this real science? Is this homeopathy? What the fuck is this? Is a problem.
Hey guys, welcome back to Amber Shimmer. I'm Amber Shimmer. If you're new here, welcome. So I have got some setup back here. Just trying to get this room in order. I can't wait to finish and actually show you around. But for today, we are going to be finally unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium and Luxe box for, what month is it again? September 2021. I just got my Luxe today and I had to come home and film it. So if you're interested in that, stick around. All right, let's start with BoxyCharm Premium. It looks like our theme is BTS, which I believe is behind the scenes, because it doesn't seem to have anything to do with the K-pop band. Ooh, okay, so first thing I pull out is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey palette. This is a highlighter palette. Ooh. So here's our shades. Those look nice. All right, let me do some quick little finger swatches. Oh, honey. Queen Bean. Ooh. Spoiler alert. And Be Sweet. Gorgeous. So I'm just gonna see, this one didn't go on very good, but this is so pretty. I love it. Ooh. Now the Lorac Luxe Diamond Eyeglass Trio. I have never used an eyegloss before. Instructions? I was gonna say let's open it, but then there was a note. A gorgeously curated trio of Lorac Luxe Diamond Eyegloss in shades inspired by the stunning colors of a seaside sunset. The liquid gel cream eyegloss formula offers a high pigment payoff with an even application in one stroke. Awesome. So here they are. Okay, so this first one is in Skinny Dip. That's really pretty. Next, Yacht Club. These names. Ooh. And finally, At Sunset. Oh, well, that is gorgeous. These are really pretty. All right, next is the Laura Mercier Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. So, yeah. Can always use another product like this. So yeah, I mean, I'm never really excited for an eye makeup remover. I much prefer balms lately, but something like this is nice to have around, so I'm not gonna complain. Ooh, Herbivore Blue Tansy. This is a Resurfacing Clarity Mask. Ooh, I don't like the sound of clarity. Can I use this? Nope. White willow bark, which is a natural form of salicylic acid. So if you're allergic to it like I am, don't use that. So this will definitely be going to a friend, but it's a very nice brand. Ooh. Hey honey, trick and treat, excuse me, lip balm, berry balm with natural tints. Probably gonna end up with my wife, but you know. I like the instructions on the back say, apply, kiss, repeat. Have to try that. Finally, last item. Ooh, it's another vibrator. I still actually haven't tried the little rose quartz vibrator thing that I got last time. Let's see what this one looks like. It's like that. And I get the batteries go in there, you know. I don't even know. I don't use items like this, so while they might have a big price tag, it's kind of irrelevant for me because I wouldn't have bought it to begin with. Let's see what this box actually adds up to. All right, so the Diamond Eyeglass Trio, which I actually really like, is the normal price is $23. So yeah, that's fine. The eye makeup remover is $27, which is honestly, I mean, I guess some people pay that for an eye makeup remover. The Herbivore mask is $48, which pretty normal for a high-end mask. The Beauty Bakery palette is $38. I could see that. The massager is regular price $58. Okay. And the lip balm is $23. It is also a Boxy exclusive, which basically means that they're making up the price and no one actually has ever purchased it for $23. That's okay though. Honestly, really it's not. Saying a lip balm costs $23 when you're not actually selling it for $23 is just a straight up lie. And lip balms are not $23 unless they're really, really nice. And I just have trouble believing this one's particularly special. Granted, I will pay $25 for Milk's electric plumping gloss, but that is completely different. This, really? No. They're not all winners. Honestly, I'm like really sad that it took so long for my boxes to get here, especially because they shipped like a long time ago. I've been waiting and 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 waiting, and now it's frickin' October and my September box is here, which like whatever, it's not ultimately their fault. I know like the people who were trying to deliver it to me kind of just held on to it for a week, which is not Boxy's fault, but I don't know, I just have interesting luck with the shipping lately. It's fine. It's fine. Completely fine. Let's move on to Luxe. Pretty heavy. Okay, let's see what we got here. First thing I pull out is the Lifestyle Company Bamboo Body Polish. I use stuff like this. This is, I'm not sure, is this a real brand? Honestly, it's hard to tell with BoxyCharm lately. It may be a real brand, so we're not gonna pass any judgments on that. Ooh. So the KAB Contour Volume 1 palette. This thing is huge. Okay, So this is a contour palette for someone with fairly light skin, but it looks pretty nice. I am not gonna swatch it because I probably will be passing this on to a friend. I just don't contour and I already have face palettes. But yeah, this is kind of interesting. I got an eyeshadow palette from them before through BoxyCharm, and it was good. It was fine. It's not like my favorite palette. It's not my favorite color story. It's just kind of a warm neutral, which is not what I lean towards usually, but the quality was fine. And I'm sure that the same is true of this. I'm sure the quality is just fine. Adagio Not So Mini Ceramic Flat Iron. So I have kind of an issue with appliances like this coming in a BoxyCharm, not because I don't like things like this, but because you only need so many of them. And I'd really rather do my research on buying one than get one randomly sent to me. And I also already have a flat iron and I don't have enough hair to use it. So I'm not really excited about this guy. That's okay. I mean, it'll probably be a gift for someone. Thanks for helping me shop for Christmas, BoxyCharm. Ooh, Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Nice. So a good moisturizer. I have a ton of moisturizers, and I have a friend who I know will really love this, so I'm gonna pass that on. I'm thinking I might need to cancel Boxy soon. I'm just not in love with this month. I don't know, we'll see. Especially I did hear they're raising prices, so lovely. So we got some MAC lashes. I am not really a lashes person. I don't truthfully know how to apply them well, and it's not a high priority for me. But that said, I'm probably gonna just keep these, and one day maybe I'll tackle that project. The Rare Beauty Confidence Palette. Pretty. I love Rare Beauty, you guys know this, and I haven't tried any other eyeshadow yet, so this should be interesting. Looks like it is an all shimmer palette. This will be fun to try out soon. Grace and Stella Sleep Mask. I'm definitely keeping this. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. Oh my. That is weird. Oh yeah, so these will carry temperature. It's a little weird though, like, what if my cat bursts it? Granted, it probably shouldn't be clawing at my eyes, but I don't know. It's kind of fun to play with regardless. Oh, so weird. And last thing in our box is the new company Immunity Defense Drops. It's an herbal supplement. All right, so this is one of those items I don't know if I should trust or not. It feels kind of homeopathic, and I apologize if that's something you're into. That is definitely not something I'm into. Yeah, I'm gonna research this, but I'm not impressed by an herbal supplement being included. I know it's a Luxe box, it's like lifestyle too, but I'm not a fan of an herbal supplement being included at all. I think it has no place in BoxyCharm. I think the fact that I'm like, is this real science? Is this homeopathy, what the fuck is this, is a problem, I'm not going to be using that most likely. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it is like just a harmless like dropper full of water, whatever. But I don't think supplements have a place in BoxyCharm, because I don't think supplements, when they work, are a one size fits all kind of thing. So I really hope that's not something they do again. Vitamins or, you know, whatever. I'm not gonna be mad at vitamins, but this is not that. So I'm actually really disappointed that was the last thing I pulled out of the box. Let's see what our prices are. I'm so scared. Okay, so the Rare Beauty Confident Energy eyeshadow palette is $25, which is super reasonable. The MAC lashes are $18. High-end lashes, like, that's fine. The moisturizer is $57. The contour palette is $60. I'm not sure I would spend $60 on a palette of a brand that I've only ever gotten in BoxyCharm. I know they are presumably sold outside of BoxyCharm too. I don't think they're an exclusive to BoxyCharm, but it's kind of like it's like a reality star brand, and I'm not sure. Yeah, whatever. That flat iron is supposedly $99, but it's another Boxy exclusive, so that's bullshit. The defense drops are $35. Let's see what else it says. Your first line of defense against getting sick. The immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral. Okay, no. I'm gonna stop you right there. It is absolutely unethical to include the word antiviral on a bottle that's not going to do anything during a pandemic. No. And then the body polish $49, and that cool mask $18. I am not impressed. Maybe I'm just annoyed with, you know what I'm annoyed with. I've already babbled about it. So those were my boxes for September 2021. I am going to end this video now, and then I'm going to film the look. I'm going to do a look combining these eyeglosses and the Rare Beauty palette. So if you're interested in that, that should be coming up soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I am posting a little less than I used to. I'm involved in a really cool writing workshop, and it's taking a lot of time. I'm focusing a lot on my writing, and it's all good. And yeah, that's why I'm not posting as much as I used to. I do still post every 1 to 2 weeks currently, and I'm gonna try to increase that. We'll see. Right now, I can only commit to you getting a video randomly, but I'm so glad you're here. Bye.